Let's take a look at this JBL Clip 5 by JBL by Harman. Bluetooth version 5.3, it promises that 12 hours battery life. This is JBL Clip 5, so clip and play. It also features this JBL portable app in which you can connect this Bluetooth speaker. And now let's go and let's unbox. Let's open this box and there we go. And we have the JBL Clip 5. That's a new one from JBL. So this is part of their JBL Clip series. Take a look at that. Now let's take a look at the contents of the box. We have here the USB-C charging cord with that orange JBL trademark color. And of course the paperwork, which includes the quick start guide, the user manual, and all others. So let's set that aside, and there's nothing more in the box. And now let's go to the JBL Clip 5. So the JBL Clip 5 we have here, this has signature JBL Pro Sound. Right there at the top, we have there the LED power indicator. This is the rubber base or anti-slip rubber part here at the back of it. Now this is waterproof and dust proof. It is also made in part by recycled material, so that is the Clip 5. We have here multi-speaker connection button by Auracast. That's something new for the Clip 5. Bluetooth button and the power button as well. Now as we turn this around, we have here the control buttons, the plus, minus, and the play button. And we have here the rubberized JBL logo. Turning it around, on the bottom we have this USB-C charging port without orange lining. Let's move on further. We have here also the redesigned carabiner. So it's redesigned. This is portable and handy. As you can see, fits good in the hands. What are your thoughts on the JBL Clip 5? Put it in the comment section below. Please subscribe to this channel. Now that's a very quick one. JBL Clip 5. Watch out for more videos about the app and all others right here. This is Rye. See you on the next one. Bye.